Guys, we received this findTop pack of 6 chip bag clips. So findTop heavy duty food clips. There are 3 large and 3 small sizes. They are assorted colors and can be used on any food bag to seal it again. So let's just open these clips. So we can just test and try and see how this is work, or how worth it is. So this one is a food grade plastic, and they are odorless. So let's check. I'm just opening this one. So I don't feel any odor or anything, and there's a rubber cush here with a rubber grip, and then on the side as well. So the teeth is also there's a ripped teeth, and the air will not pass through this one. So here is a chip bag. I just try to put this clip and see how this work. So I put a big clip here, and I can see like this is not going anywhere. This clip is not coming out, and this fits really well. So no air is entering into the bag. So it's pretty much serving its purpose. It's a nice clips for the food bags and very helpful.